Hey guys, it's Miss Fun Sweets here. I said I was going to be recording some gameplay and I was going to have a mic, but the mic that I bought like 2 weeks ago, it's already broken, so I couldn't use it. But I'm using my camera to record my voice at the moment. Hopefully the audio will be okay. I don't really have much to record. I just wanted to let everyone know that I will be recording some gameplay with my voice soon after I get a new mic or find out what's wrong with mine. And I'll be posting some gameplay of probably GTA and maybe some Minecraft, and unfortunately Ghost. I hate it so much, but I will have to upload some videos of Ghost. So anyways, I hope you like the video that I've posted, and I'll talk to all you guys later.
One touch will make me in love, no faking. I can't control myself, you know I'm never getting low. No, I'm never getting up. No, I'm never getting up. So we can do anything like no such thing, no, when I'm with you. When they dim the lights, coming closer, smell this sweet perfume. Heating up the night, touch me now like there's no time to lose. No doubt, you got me dropped down to your feet. I can't control myself, you got me feeling for your lust. One touch will make me in love, no faking. I can't control myself, you know I'm never getting up. No doubt, you got me dropped down to your feet. I can't control myself, you got me feeling for your lust. One touch will make me in love, no faking. I can't control myself, you know I'm